How to turn on NFC on iPhone. So if you want to turn on NFC on your iPhone, then first you need to open up your settings app on your iPhone. After that, scroll down and then tap on General. Then scroll down and then go with About. And under About, you need to check your model name. If it's an iPhone 13 or later, your device already has NFC built in. The easiest way is to use NFC is to simply hold your iPhone near your reader. If nothing pops up automatically, then don't worry, we can trigger that manually. Simply swipe over to the app library and then search for Shortcuts. Open the Shortcuts app, which comes pre-installed on your iPhone. At the bottom, tap on Automation, then click on New Automation, which will be in the top right. Then you need to scroll down and then select NFC under when I tap an NFC tag, which is in my case right here. Just tap on it. Tap Scan, which will be on the right side, and it will say ready to scan. Now hold your NFC enabled card or tag near your iPhone. The phone will detect it immediately and you'll see the option to name the tag, confirming it was read successfully. From here, you can use NFC for various tasks like reading cards, tags, or other NFC enabled devices. Try scanning a few NFC tags or cards to confirm your iPhone recognizes them instantly. Everything should now be working perfectly. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.